Hey girlies, this time I outdid myself and I'm so proud. Can't wait you to see. So I used my natural locks. I used two packets. Each went for 650 Kenyan shillings. You can either do your lines of or ask for help. Potato, potata, whatever works for you. In case you don't know how to crochet, you can either look at other videos or request. I'll definitely show you a step by step on how I do it. So I had stayed for a while without doing crochet braids, and I made my braids so tight, so the pain is excruciating. I was feeling like giving up, but girl, whatever we start we have to finish. I was giving up, but so a second time is always a charm, and here I am confirming again, pushing the latch hook, then connecting the braid to the latch hook, pulling through, then closing, then inserting the hair on the hole and just pulling, like voila. I am so proud, like y'all, I can't wait. You yeah, so we're just doing the same to all the braids. The pain, kindly make your braids a little bit loose so that you can't explain or you can't experience the pain that I was going through. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just repeating the process of inserting the latch hook, then pulling the hair and ensuring that it is well secure. So I'm just doing a good job. I can just see I'm just confirming everything looks like it's falling into place, like your girl is doing it. I'm doing it. Yes, I'm doing it. Oh my goodness, I love cartoons and I'm losing my mind. So I'm just doing it, and I'm sure that everything is going to work out okay. So I'm pretty much done, but the hair looks scarce and it doesn't look that nice. It has no flavor, so I'm using the Brazilian bulb. This is a packet from my previous video where I crocheted my hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just inserting some pieces at the top of the hair and at the bottom of the hair, just to give it a little oomph, a little bit of utamu, yeah, just so to speak. So you'll just see exactly how I'm doing it. I'm just inserting it, and then I'm just making two knots to ensure that it is well secure, because I'm planning to wear this hair for at least 2 to 3 weeks, so I don't need it to drop. So that's basically it. You'll just repeat the same process to all the hairs, and this is the final look. Like, woohoo, girl, I'm so proud of myself. This hair looks amazing. Hope you try it.